Millions of people are pasting Python scripts, quarterly earnings reports, and even patient symptoms directly into public AI chatbots every single day. Every time you hit enter, that prompt leaves your device. It travels across the internet and lands in a massive, centralized server farm controlled by a remote tech company. This explicit data leakage is exactly why companies like Apple, Samsung, and major banks have strictly banned their employees from using mainstream AI tools for work. You simply cannot paste proprietary code into a black box. An open source movement has solved this. Anyone can now take massive pre-trained AI models, the actual brains of these systems, and download them directly to their own hardware. With just a few lines of code typed into a standard operating system terminal, you can spin up an entirely localized, functioning artificial intelligence. No internet connection required. By physically severing that connection to the cloud, you get the processing power of a cutting-edge supercomputer locked safely inside your laptop, ensuring complete and absolute privacy over every single prompt. Curious tone. Imagine the power grid fails tomorrow. With just a laptop and a solar panel, your local AI boots up and answers questions perfectly. There is a catch, though. Because it was trained exclusively on a snapshot of the public internet, this local AI has zero context about you. It doesn't know your company's internal procedures, and it certainly doesn't know your personal secrets. We are left with a highly capable, yet completely generalized blank slate. Our challenge is finding a way to safely and securely teach this isolated system our most sensitive information. To understand how we customize these models, we have to look at how they are built in the first place. Tech giants spend tens of millions of dollars scraping and processing public data to create a baseline model. Meta wired together a supercluster of 6,000 individual GPUs and ran them for 1.7 million continuous hours. That $20 million process compresses over 2 trillion tokens into a 7 billion parameter model. Parameters are the variables the AI uses to make decisions. What emerges from that massive computational forge is a dense, highly capable, but completely generalized intelligence. While this multi-million-dollar baseline is an engineering marvel, it has no idea how to troubleshoot your specific IT tickets or write code for your unreleased software. It requires further instruction. Say an enterprise needs its AI to cite internal HR policies and write scripts for software that hasn't been announced to the public yet. They achieve this through a process known as fine-tuning. This is a targeted training phase where you feed the AI specific pairs of prompts and correct answers to teach it new, specialized logic. You do not need a $20 million supercomputer to do this. A data scientist can execute fine-tuning using standard virtual machines equipped with pass-through GPUs, leveraging the hardware already sitting in a corporate data center. This network visualization shows the mathematical precision of fine-tuning. By feeding the AI just a few thousand specific examples, data scientists are typically tweaking about 0.93% of the model. In a 7 billion parameter system, you're only altering around 65 million parameters. By rewriting that tiny fraction of the neural network, the AI permanently internalizes classified company secrets. And because the model is running locally, those secrets never leave the building. But what if your information is constantly changing? If you want an AI to reference daily customer support tickets or personal diary entries, permanently altering the model's core parameters every single day isn't practical. The solution is RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Instead of retraining the AI itself, you tether the pre-trained model to a completely separate, easily updated local database. This flowchart breaks down the mechanics. When you ask a question, the AI intercepts the prompt, sprints over to your local database, reads the exact private notes related to your query, and then uses that retrieved context to generate a highly accurate answer. For example, you can drop a folder of personal journal entries into your RAG database, ask the AI what you ate in Takayama during a trip to Japan in 2023, and it will pull the exact meal directly from your notes. RAG operates entirely like an open book test. It creates a hyper-personalized, dynamic assistant that references a modular knowledge base entirely controlled by you. We are watching the landscape of artificial intelligence fracture into two distinct paths. On one side sits the centralized public cloud, where users trade their personal data for convenience. On the other side is the rapidly accelerating deployment of localized, entirely private intelligence. At the enterprise level, multinational corporations are running flawless, offline AI across sprawling internal server racks, guaranteeing total data compliance for their most sensitive projects. At the individual level, a single user can sit off the grid, utilizing their laptop's graphics processor to converse with an intelligence trained exclusively on their own code and personal history. The open-source tools, the multi-million-dollar pre-trained models, and the infrastructure to run them are completely free and available to download right now. You can bypass the tech monopolies entirely. You no longer have to choose between advanced intelligence and data privacy. You can now have both on a device you own, completely under your own control.